welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome. So today we're gonna do a clean with me, a tiny bit of little decoration and tweaking and all that good stuff. Today is an awesome video though. It's just not a clean with me, it's a collaboration with my sweet girlie here on YouTube. She's so cute. Got some beautiful family. I love it. I'm gonna link her video. Me and Candice have linked up and we're gonna do a clean with me. I hope you guys go check her video out. I enjoyed every bit of her content. So she has a lifestyle channel like I do, cleaning and all that good stuff. She has 2 little boys and she's a military spouse as well. So there you go, for all my spouses out there that rock out with me. So make sure you check out Candice's channel. I love all of her content that she puts out. Thank you so much, girlie, for reaching out and doing this collaboration with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this Vlogmas day 9. Stay tuned for the clean with me. This is what we do on a typical Sunday. We're preparing for the week. So stay tuned. Let's go and clean.
A bit high on the feeling, can't seem to focus. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty up from the minute that I met you. Trying to get your attention, you make me nervous. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty up from the minute that I met you. Met the other night, but I can't get you off my mind. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty up from the minute that I met you.
You would think these two up here bathroom will be cleaner, but it's not. Their bathroom is far the worst out of the whole house up here. Their bathroom is nice and clean now. Just have to get pictures hung, and I'm gonna go change this out to gold, and we'll be done. And their stuff is getting washed. What is this piece of paper? Nice and clean in here. Nice and clean. All right, I'm gonna, when I finish combing here, I'm gonna go ahead and get these floor vacuumed up. But I'm gonna go ahead and start here, getting the hair combed. So then I'll vacuum the rug. It's that time. I'm gonna wash, comb hair. This is a typical Sunday. Girl, where do you think 4-year-olds
How long do you want them to be?
Longer than what it is.
You have to get a price.
No. So obsessed with this flavor. I'm gonna have to go get some more of this scent. I don't know why I call them flavors. This is flannel. Oh, this has been my, oh, it smells so good. This has been my scent for the season right here. I did not even get any more. I didn't get any more of these on the $8 candle sale. But the next time they have like a $30 off or $10 off, I have to get some more of these. It smells so good. This one and Balsam. Make your house just smell clean and fresh. I love that. Alright, you guys. My room is nice and clean. Look at how it sparkles. It's so nice and clean in here. Look, I got my pictures hung. They're not all that perfect, but they're up there. I didn't want them to get cracked. I thought about putting, let me share with you, I just found this beauty right here. Ooh, I found this. I have nowhere to put it, but I had to put it on my closet door. Let me step back and show you. This is a beautiful wreath that I found at Target last night. I had to have it. It's so beautiful. So I'm gonna move it over. So I put it right here on my closet door. Look at the super cute. It just spoke to me. I could not leave that store without this wreath, and I knew I had nowhere to put it. I'm trying to move the little pine cones up. That is beautiful. If I was into that rustic or whatever, I don't know what this is, but this speaks to me so many volumes. So I know it's just a wreath, but look, when I'm on my bed, I just look at it right there. It's so cute. So that's where it's gonna stay until I find somewhere else to put it. Is right here on my bedroom. And then I got my pictures up over here. I think they look super cute up there. And that's just the poster. I just cut it into, you know, 3 different sections, and there you have it. I can go ahead and turn this light off. There we go. Turn off our light because we're gonna go. Now I have to go and comb hair. Look at my blanket. That's how I styled the bed. Ooh, so cute. I'm still looking for some pillows to match this. I'm gonna look back at Home Goods and see if they have some pillows to match, so I can change these 2 larger Euro pillows out. That's how I have my bench for now. I need to go ahead and finish it up. But that wreath over there with those curtains, everything is so beautiful. Here is what I'm doing with my bathroom. I'm gonna go ahead and I want to share without it. That's how it looks. And then I'm gonna put this snowflake is actually a button. So I had to use this little piece right here to hold it on there. So I just wanted to share. These little ribbons came on the actual, that's why they're different. They're not the same. So if I find me some more sparkly ribbon like this, I'll add it. But if not, it's there. So this is how I have these cuties right here styled. And then I just put that little pine cone here on the door because it was here in my bathroom. It has a little crystal. Yeah, I guess I really like some pine cones. I'm really noticing that. And then just have that same picture. And so everything is in here just nice and clean. Yep. Oh, this is that Let It Snow. This was one of the towels that was in it. I'm going to put it like a snowflake or something right there. But it's just hanging there. Clean, nice and beautiful. Look at that sparkle. Everything is sparkling. I want to thank you guys so very much for rocking out with me on this clean, kind of lifestyle vloggy type of video. I had a blast. This is typically what we do on a Sunday. Get ourselves ready for the week, comb hair, wash clothes, you know, things like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Bye for now. And if you are from Candis channel, I hope you guys stick around and rock out with me as well. I'm Raquel. I do lifestyle videos, DIYs, all of that, cooking and cleaning, you know, typical lifestyle stuff. So if you're new to my channel, I would love to have you here. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and make sure your bell notification is turned on. Oh, you watching White Spot?